This video highlights some of the new and updated features of Brightspace Learning Environment 20.20.3. You can now choose to display author name and a timestamp in announcements. If you do not have access to this feature, contact your Brightspace administrator. When creating or editing an announcement, you can choose to display author information. If the Display Author Information checkbox is selected and you publish an announcement, your name appears with a timestamp in the Announcements widget, and author details display when an announcement is edited. To improve cloud environment security, D2L is proactively blocking suspicious requests using a web app firewall. Note, this feature is available to Australia and Europe-hosted clients and will continue a global rollout in future releases. The moose puzzle image has been removed from the end of unit page. This feature implements PI item D5344. The end of unit page now includes a progress meter. When creating self-enrollment groups, you can now specify the exact time enrollment is available for. This feature implements PI item D3002. Quick Eval now supports anonymous assignments. This feature implements PI item D5647. In the new Quiz Builder experience, you can now import questions that are stored in LOR. The publishing workflow in the new Rubrics grading experience now includes a confirmation message that warns users when the rubric is not fully evaluated. When evaluating against a rubric, the overall score is now calculated after all the criteria in the rubric have a score selected. You can now manually map achievement levels to rubric levels for all types of rubrics. Thanks for watching, and as always, don't forget to subscribe.